friends, this is Normal here for Technique, and in this video we're going to share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the Lenovo Z2 Plus. So Z2 Plus comes with a custom UI which is a mixture of the Google launcher and along with a customized version of the settings panel and also the quick toggles. So we'll just share some of the tips and tricks you can try out on this device. So first step, let's press the home button, the home screen, and you can see the wallpaper, widgets and settings. So wallpaper and widgets is self-explanatory. Now let's go to the settings. So here you can see the Google Now settings, and here there is an option called allow rotation. So what it does is it will allow rotation of the app launcher. You can see it allows rotation. So if you are comfortable using this, you can just enable the rotation option. The next step, you can see now on tap option. So now on tap, what happens is when you press and hold the home button, the Google Now will search for related information available in the screen and gets you some results. So we'll just show you that. Say for example, we'll just open this and now on tap. So there you go. Just press and hold the home button and you can see it provides you with additional links. You can see discover maps, YouTube, Facebook, website, all those things can be available from now on tap. So that's how now on tap work. So you can just enable it from there. Now if you just swipe from the bottom, you can see the quick switch panel where we have these quick toggles to connect to data, recent task list, lock screen, and all those things can be accessed from here. Now you can also configure this. For just go to the settings and you can see the quick switch panel option. So select this and you can have the option to show in lock screen and show in application, and switching sequence. You can see first screen and the second screen what all icons can be displayed, and you can also configure it. Say for example, if I want settings in the first screen, I can just press and hold and drag it so that something will be replaced there to the settings. Similarly, you can just rearrange whatever you want in the quick switch and then save it. So whenever now if you access it, you can see settings has come to the first screen and the second screen is remaining the same. So similarly, you can customize it with all the options available. Around 16 items are available in the quick switch in 2 pages. So now let's go to the settings menu, and here we have the default set of options, and we have the U-Touch button. So we already done a detailed video on the U-Touch, how to configure it. So U-Touch, what it does is it will act as the home button, the multitasking button, and the back button completely into the physical button. So if you are here, if you just press here, it will go back to the back button. If you just press again, it will go back to the home button. If you just swipe here, it will switch between different apps, and you can see here it will switch between different apps. So that's something very useful. You can switch between different apps just by swiping right or left. That's a multitasking option, and if you just double press, it will show you all the running apps again. So this is how the U-Touch works. So we already done a detailed video. You can also check out that video to get how it works. Now if you go to the notification and status bar, you can see there is an option to show the battery percentage and also show the network speed in real time. So you can enable it if you want this option should be to be displayed in the notification center. Now if you go to the advanced settings, we have option for storage and battery. So select the battery, and here we can see that there is an option to enable manual battery saving mode, enable when low power. You can also set the low power when the battery should be turned, battery low power mode should be turned on. You can set the low power mode, and you can see this will if you select the manual mode, it will automatically disable all the services and enable the battery saver mode. So these are the options available in the battery saver mode. Now another interesting option in the Lenovo Z2 Plus is the long screenshot. That means if you're browsing a web page which has a pretty lengthy article, if you want to take the entire screenshot of the article, we have this long screenshot. So just open a window. Now we are going to take a screenshot. Just press the volume down and the power button together. And now you can see click to start the long screenshot. So just select this, and now you can see it is automatically scrolling and taking the screenshot. Whenever you want to stop it, just tap on the screen and the screenshot will be stopped. And now let's save it and now just open it, and you can see this is the long screenshot taken of the settings panel. So similarly you can take for any websites as well, and access the complete screenshot from the photos folder. So that's another useful option, the long screenshot. Now if you go to the display and brightness option, you can see there is a adaptive brightness, and there is an option to change the display color. You can see warm colors, you can select warm color, or you can go for cool color or the standard one. And there is also option for night color. That means you can manually select night color mode and schedule the night color mode. Say for example 10 p.m. to 7 p.m. you can have the night color mode. So that's another useful option, especially if you are reading a lot of ebooks in the night. You can automatically switch to night color mode here. And there is also option to prevent pocket dials. If you are turned on this option, it will prevent automatic dialing when the phone is in the pocket. And finally there is also option for double tap to wake the display from when it is sleeping. So just double tap it and it will wake up the screen, and you can unlock the device. So these are some of the tips and tricks you can try out on the Lenovo Z2 Plus. Hope you like this video. If you have the device, do try out these tips and tricks to get the better out of your device. So that's all guys. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.